Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at one of the best nail art kits out there, the best Baiyiyi Nail Rhinestones Kit. If you're a fan of crafting, nail art, or just want to add some sparkle to your shoes, clothes, or accessories, this kit is exactly what you need. In this set, you'll find 600 clear diamonds in various shapes, along with 2,500 flat AB rhinestones that promise to take your DIY creations to the next level. Each rhinestone is made of high-quality glass and has been cut using advanced technology to ensure even edges and maximum shine. With 12 different shapes and 8 different sizes of rhinestones, you'll have everything you need to create dazzling designs that catch the light in all the right ways. One of the things that really stands out about this kit is its versatility. Sure, it's perfect for nails, but it's not just limited to that. You can also use it to decorate your shoes, bags, clothes, or even your makeup for that extra touch of glamour. Whether you're creating a custom pair of heels, adding a little bling to your favorite purse, or designing your own jewelry, these rhinestones will elevate your look and make it pop. The kit comes neatly packaged in a high-quality box, with each size of rhinestone sorted into separate compartments. This thoughtful packaging ensures that you can easily access the right rhinestones without worrying about mixing up the pieces. Additionally, the kit includes a multi-functional wax pen, which makes it super easy to pick up the rhinestones and place them exactly where you want them. Now, a lot of rhinestones out there come with self-adhesive backing, but not these. These flat-back rhinestones require glue to stick, and while the glue isn't included, it's easy to find the perfect adhesive that will hold these gems in place for as long as you need. This also gives you the flexibility to use the rhinestones on a wide range of materials, knowing that they'll stay securely in place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this rhinestone kit offers everything you need to get started on your next project. And with its neatly organized packaging, you won't have to worry about any mess. Plus, the stunning sparkle and shine of these rhinestones will make your creations truly eye-catching. So, if you're looking for a complete and high-quality rhinestone kit to add to your craft supplies, the best Baiyiyi Nail Rhinestones Kit is definitely worth considering. It's durable, versatile, and packed with all the tools you need to make your designs shine. Be sure to check it out and start creating your own masterpiece today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques right here on Product Critique.